Experiencing a cannot connect to mobile network error on your Metro by T-Mobile phone? This often means your phone isn't communicating correctly with Metro's network. The most common cause is incorrect APN, access point name, settings. The APN acts as a gateway, routing data traffic between your phone and the mobile network. We'll show you how to check and reset these settings. As of September 2025, this is still a prevalent issue, but easily fixable in most cases with the right steps. Incorrect settings prevent authentication. Make sure your signal strength is adequate and your SIM card is properly inserted. First, manually reset your APN settings. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, and Access Point Names. In Access Point Names, ensure these settings are correct. APN is fattomobile.com. Leave username and password blank. MMSC is mms.tmobile.com/enning and MMS proxy blank. If problems persist, perform a network reset. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Restart your device or reset network settings under System, Reset Options. If those steps still don't work, try getting a new SIM card from T-Mobile.